I want more.
Yeah, I know, right?
You want to do
Okay, gotcha. Light her up. Yep. Woo! That was beautiful. That's a shaker. That's awesome. What kind of gas? Is it pump gas?
Yeah, 94.
94?
94, yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Well done, man. Thanks. Have a great day.
That's it.
How much was the build total? Just a rough kind of thing.
It'd be about 120.
120?
Yeah.
Yeah. She feels good. Nice and tight.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's steering. They're all manual steering.
That was a good purchase though. How much did you buy for?
11.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
I stole it. The way it sits right now, it's
It's stolen.
the better part of 40. The way it
That's the main question. Would he have into it?
sits. Right, actually.
There's a little soft spot in my heart for Reese's too. It's just perfect proportion.
It is, isn't it?
No, I love it. This stuff. I want more.
Yeah, I know, right?
Right?
Everyone was doing it. What the fuck?
I thought about trying to do them on the 300.
Oh, really?
Like something similar?
Damn. Holy jeez.
This is expensive.
This is expensive. Did they come back to you like this?
Yeah, not many.
So this is a rare boy.
Yeah.
Damn. That's crazy if it is factory. Is it factory? I don't know. Right? That's crazy. Those are some slicks in the back for sure.
supposed to only be 4.
Really?
I mean, convertible stuff. You're like, this just
Is it a clone? I don't know.
like, you know what I mean? Like, put a hemi in it, put the stripe on it.
Oh yeah.
Let's go shaker. They sold the one unrestored. Went, what was it, 3 years ago? I think it went to somewhere in Europe.
Yeah.
They sold auction here for $4.4 million.
$4.4 million?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
No power brakes, no power steering.
Yeah, but that's what you want.
Oh yeah.
426, no brakes, no power steering.
Now it was also like 10,000 all original. Like it was.
Yeah.
It was perfect, and it was one in that spec. But.
Six pack.
What kind of exhaust you got? Straight pipe? Is that a straight pipe exhaust?
No.
No?
Get the headers and mufflers.
Oh, it's like the stock headers, or is that?
Well, these aren't stock, no.
Yeah, okay, gotcha. What year is this baby?
67.
67.
Yeah.
Nice. Great condition. Did you restore yourself, or you bought them? Yeah.
Yeah.
How long was the build?
Not, a couple of years. I've only had the car for about 3 years.
Yeah.
The motor's fresh right now.
Fresh motor? It's a 440 or 340?
340.
340? Fresh motor, right? Basically like 0 kilometers on them.
Yeah.